welcome back to my channel. All right, so you guys, I am so excited to be back with a brand new video. This video is actually going to be all about Creole Belle organics, and these products were actually sent to me and I'm very excited to try them. I have been seeing some good feedback online from different people who have tried different styles using these products. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the product descriptions. All right, you guys, so the first product that I'm going to be using from this line is going to be their hair butter, and this is the Creole Belle Organics Pralines and Cream Hair and Body Butter, and this is from their Magnolia collection. This product says that it smooths and moisturizes defined curls or coils, and it's also sulfate free and paraben free. So I'm really excited to try this product. I haven't even opened it up yet. So it's a nice thick butter. Let me see if I can show you guys the consistency. It may be a little bit hard. Oh my gosh, you guys, this product smells so good. So it looks like a really thick butter actually. It looks very rich. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. This smells like a candle that I have. It's a very sweet smell, kind of smells like a pastry. It's very sweet. So it definitely smells bomb. And the next product that I'm going to be using is the Creole Belle Organics Jazz It Up Curling Custard. Oh. This one smells really nice. This one is more of a light smell. The reason why I said oh like that when I took the top off, because I expected it to be, but I'm not really used to using custard, so maybe that's why that kind of threw me off. But this is the, let me see if you guys can see the consistency. Okay, there we go. So if you guys can see, like, look, I'm leaning this jar over and it's not moving. And my finger kind of just like bounces right back out. Like, it only took a little bit of product off. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting to try because I've actually never used a product like this on my hair. I am starting out on freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair. So I feel like that's really important too, because if you want your styling products to work effectively, you do have to have your hair, you know, nourished and conditioned before you go to styling. I did apply my leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower, and I just always love to have a base on my hair before I start styling. If you are curious as to what I use for my leave-in conditioner, I will put it below in the description box. But today, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing something different with my hair. So I wanted to switch it up. So today I'm going to be doing a braid out. So I'm just going to go ahead and section off some hair to get started. The last time that I actually did a braid out, I do remember that I used smaller sections. With this one, I'm actually going to do chunkier braids because I just think that's the look that I'm more so going for instead of like the smaller braids. So yeah, I'm just gonna do larger braids this time, but I'm gonna start with a fairly small section with applying the product, and then I'll just, as far as for the braiding, I'll do larger sections. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the butter. And this is also a body butter, so I'm gonna be trying it on my body as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so thick. I've never had a product that looks like this. It feels almost like icing. Like, this dead serious feels like icing. It just dropped some. Let me see if you guys can see. Okay, I need my camera focus. Can you guys see? It literally looks like cake icing. It's a very different, this looks weird, right? But it's a very it's a very different consistency. I have a I hope my hair likes this. This is the way that it looks like rubbed on my hands. It does smell really good though. It literally smells like, now that I see like the consistency, and it reminds me of icing, that's actually what it smells like. Okay, I don't know why I just got nervous, but let's go ahead and, oh. Okay. It feels really dry going on. I applied a lightweight leave-in. Okay. Maybe I should, I don't even know. Should I have done this on dry hair? I mean, I have a lot of hair butters I use for moisturizers, and I use it on soaking wet. Well, my hair's not soaking wet. I've been out of the shower for like 30 minutes. This is damp. Oh my gosh. I don't know, you guys, if I want to put this all over my head. I'm getting nervous. So it doesn't have any like residue, so that's good. Well, let me see. No, it doesn't really have any residue. I'm just nervous, you guys, because the thing about trying products, I just don't want my hair to like tangle up or anything. OMG. Okay, I do want to review these products for you guys, so we're gonna keep going. Ooh, this feels really weird. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some more to the rest of my hair. Let me read the directions, maybe that will help. Okay, so it does say for your hair, apply quarter size amount in your hand and rub palms together. Apply product through your hair from roots to ends. Style as desired. Use as part of the lock method. So that's the leave-in oil cream method. So it doesn't specify as far as if you're supposed to use it on wet or dry hair. As far as a lotion or a body cream, I don't know, maybe if I didn't have the leave-in on my hands. I guess it does feel like it's penetrating. Okay, yeah, so I can see this as a body butter. Like at nighttime, like when you want like a heavier, you know, a heavier moisturizer for overnight. So I can see that like that. I'm really nervous, you guys, about this. I'm just gonna smooth it on top. Let me try that. It feels a little, I guess if I had to describe it, it feels a little waxy. But it doesn't feel like a hair grease or anything. It just, this is a very different consistency than I'm used to. I'm really second guessing putting the curling custard on top of this. But let's go for it. So this is how the curling custard looks on my hand. Yeah, my fingers are starting to get like stuck in my hair. So these are both of the products together. This is with the curling custard and the butter. So the curls, they don't look bad. So this is the first braid. It does have my hair looking really smooth. My hair does actually look really smooth and moisturized. This as a body butter, you're gonna smell like a snack all day. Like this smells exactly like cake icing. So I'm just more so smoothing it over. It's not really meant to be, I don't really want to run my fingers through too many times. If you guys wanted to know the ingredients in this product, this is for the hair butter, hair and body butter. It has shea butter, mango butter, castor oil, avocado, macadamia, aloe vera juice, vitamin E, argan oil. So it has a ton of great ingredients in it, so that's definitely good. So just in case you guys are curious, that's what this product consists of. You guys, so I'm all done. Everything is braided up, and this is how my hair looks. I'd say that it does have my braids looking really neat and moisturized. So I'm gonna leave this in overnight. All right, you guys, so I'm sure you can tell by the smile on my face, I am actually very pleased with my results from this braid out. I will say, you guys, that my hair actually feels super soft and moisturized. Like, can you guys see the curls? They're actually really happy right now. And I'm like loving this braid out. Like, I love how my curls look. They're nice and like chunky, clumped together. And I didn't know what to expect, but like I said, it feels moisturized. I do have a little bit of frizz, but that's not like a huge deal. It feels so soft, so moisturized, not weighed down. I love just how like fluffy my hair is right now. Like, even though I did use the Custard, I don't have any crunch at all. But you guys, I'm just really happy with the way that my hair looks. I'm loving my hair. I love that I have more elongated curls with this braid out. I'll definitely be using these products again. If you guys have tried these products, comment below, let me know your experience with them, because I probably will be trying some more products from their line. I will list their website and their Instagram in the description box, so definitely check them out, you guys. They do have more products in addition to these two. I did actually receive one more product, which is the curling jelly, so I think I'll do a wash and go with that one. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this product review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And once again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.